You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. How do you say it correctly? This is how you spell it, and yes, it is a little bit confusing, right? But it's actually pretty easy. 12th, 12th. So you have to produce an L sound, and then an F sound, and then a TH sound. L, F, th. 12th, 12th is how you say it properly. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. More videos here for you to learn more English. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.